Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be revealing to us how I've been making 300 to 500 US dollar every day, even while I sleep, without an iota of any technical skills, no website, no product creation. There will be no video creation for you, no selling of anything yourself or building anything technical. And this is not a Ponzi scheme. My name is Lloyd C. Gibbs, a four-figure solopreneur. I have been in internet marketing business for over 5 years. Here are some of the screenshots from my sites. Some of the sites, the secret sites I used. Here I made $197 $50 and has been paid to me. These are some of the earnings I have made here. And again, this is also another one of my sites. If you look at it there, that's my picture. So it is not just screenshot or whatever. This is real. This system that I'm about to show you is so simple, but at the same time very powerful when it comes to making money online. This new system made me over 3,747 US dollar in just few months in 2021. You can see the screenshot, one of the screenshots I showed you in the earlier slide, and that's my picture there. So it is not a fake screenshot or whatever. So, and in 2021, the accumulation of all that I made was in tune of 3,747 US dollar, and at about that time the dollar rate is about 780 naira. And if you calculate that in naira, you will see that in 2021 I made over 2 million naira from the comfort of my bedroom. This tested and proven system practically works. Before I go further, let me show you some secret websites I am using as a proof of what I am saying. I will log into my account for you to see. Here is one of the sites I showed you earlier on. That's my name here I use in these sites, Lloyd C. Gibbs. Now, today I have made over 300 US dollar. Yesterday I made over 200 US dollar. 7 days ago I've made over 2,752 US dollar. In the last 30 days I have made well over 4,000 US dollar in total. Now look at the statistics under from what I am telling you. So you can see that these are the statistics here of all that I have made. I can go on and on. Here is another site that I'll be using, the one I showed you earlier. In current month, this month I have made over 200 US dollar. In the last 1 month I made $197.50. Then in the last 3 months I have made 477 US dollar. Then 6 months ago I made 679 US dollar, and over a year now it has been $3,673.50, like that. And this particular $197.50 that I made last month has been paid into my account. I can go on and on. So this is to show to you that what I am about to teach you works for real, and I am sure you will need the same results. Welcome to my 4-figure affiliate profit system. This is the system I've been using to make money secretly from the comfort of my home without no stress. I do not need much money out of my pockets to actually make this system work. I have been using it, and now I have twisted it in so different many ways, and now I have perfected it. A lot of my friends are asking me on my social media, Facebook, Twitter, and how are you making this money, and why can't I show that? And that is why I have come all out to want to show as many that will want to be part of this system to start making money, real money, online. And I have only 20 space to give out to train people on this particular time. Anything more than 20 I may not be able to manage it. So I have trained about 7 before, and now I am making it 20. I need only 20 person to register and be part of this system that I'm about to show you that works real good. Ordinary people like you are making this kind of money online daily from the comfort of their bedroom. You too can make, this kind of money. You can make it too, so long you can browse the internet, copy and paste. All you need to learn this amazing system is a laptop, a mobile phone, a good and reliable internet connection, coupled with my step-by-step method I will teach you in the live webinar to be making this kind of money on a daily basis from the comfort of your home. Remember, this is going to be a one-on-one webinar coaching and not some sort of videos that you buy out there that you continue to watch and you don't seem to understand or get anything out of what you have bought. This is a no-brainer, a one-on-one webinar coaching where you watch over my shoulder, where I'll be teaching you step by step on how you can make this kind of money on a daily basis. Warren Buffett once said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. So are you ready to start making money online from the comfort of your bedroom? It doesn't matter whether you are a beginner or not. You can have the same success if you're that serious, or do better than me if you're serious. Check below this video, see all that you will be getting when you join this system. Take action now and let me be part of your success story. Warren Buffett also said that the best investment you can make is an investment in yourself. The more you learn, the more you will earn. What does success mean to you? Does it mean you having a house or having a car, or even having a vacation, going on vacation, traveling around the world, living the life to your fullest, and financial freedom? Whatever it is the combination of all that we have here that makes life meaningful, and that one can say he or she is successful. Now is action time. You have two options. Option number one, you can close this video and continue with your old ways of life, getting involved in Ponzi scheme and wasting your money, or continue to struggle to make ends meet. Or option number two, you can be part of this program, this 4-figure affiliate profit system. You can live and abandon, it will make you abandon everything that has to do with your 9-to-5 job. You live life in your own terms and get the financial freedom you have ever desired. Click the button below this video to join now. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the live webinar when you register. Bye.